Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo and I am Elsie Mise on Instagram. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? On today's video, I am doing just a soft clean girl look with you guys. We have a model today. Her name is Habane. Welcome. She has been on the channel before. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. The first item that I went in with is a Maybelline Fit Me Luminous primer. I absolutely love using this primer, especially when I'm working with my clients, because it gives you that bit of SPF protection and that glow, honey. Yes, and the foundation that I will be using is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 356. She is one shade lighter than I am, and after applying the primer, as you can see, I went in with a fan. Rather, we used a fan, and yeah. So there is the foundation, and for placement I am using a rounded tip flat brush just to place the foundation on her face, and after that I'm gonna go just a little bit of a setting spray and go in with my foundation brush just to blend in the foundation. And yeah, remember, don't be scared to blend your products, because the more you blend, the better the appearance of the product on your face. You know, you want that foundation to marry your face. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but yeah, that is what I'm saying. Okay. Yeah, and then after using the foundation, we are definitely going to go in with a concealer. What I'm saying is not in sync with what is happening on the screen, but I'm literally just taking you through the steps so that I can shush and let you watch, you know. So I'm gonna follow up with a concealer just to highlight her face, and the concealer that I'm using is an LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn. Yes, in shade Fawn, honey. And I will then contour her nose with a signature contour and highlight palette. Right after that, I will use a brow soap. I'll use a brow soap just to tame her brows, and follow up with a concealer, which is still the same concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn. After that, we will just dab her brows with the caramelized Yardley loose powder. You know, dab her brows so that we can absorb all the oils, and I feel that when I do that, the brow shape really just shows off, and it's easy for me to follow up with a pencil if I'm using a pencil for the day. And just to set the concealer, I will then go in with the Yardley loose powder. It's a caramelized shade. I'm gonna use a sponge just to, you know, tap on areas where we have applied the concealer. Yeah, maybe let me shush a little bit and let you enjoy the video. I will catch you up in a moment.
Feel so divine, so divine. I won't forget this feeling. We're in no element, just you and me underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Oh, yeah. Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrifying my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory. All memories fade. I walk alone through this empty parade. Night falls so slow, stars don't glow anymore. Heart feels hollow. In my mind, you still shine bright, lost in time. Hold you tight. Silent whispers haunt me softly every night, chasing shadows gone from sight. Rain hides my tears, fear
Unfortunately, guys, I thought that the phone was recording, but it turns out I did not have space. For some reason, I just wanted to check how the video looks, and I realized that I didn't actually even capture me finishing up the brows, but I did use the same technique that I use on my brows. So you can check out my latest video and you will see how I did the brows. I'm now going in with an Essence liquid liner, just to bring in detail to this eye look. I've applied very subtle eyeshadow colors, so that's the look that we are going for. I am happy with how it looks. I'm now going in with strap lashes. Guys, lashes just really elevate the look, like they just take it up a notch. So please get yourself lashes. Please do get yourself lashes. Don't say I did not tell you. I did tell you. So please do the right thing. Yeah.
Starry night, angel lights, the stars alight when you came into my life. Hands in hands, heart to heart, lips on lips, loving kiss. We are one underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight.
So for the lips, I am using my Girls Corner moisturizing lip set. Like I said, we're going for a soft clean girl makeup look. So we are going to use like the nudes, nude lipstick, chilled vibes, nothing hectic, something sassy, very subtle. That's what we are going for.
Forget this feeling, we're in no element, just you and me, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight. eyes locked from across the.
And loves, nothing beats this moment when your client is happy. You know, when you see that smile when they look in the mirror, look at the final product, and you can see a smile and you can see them, you know, just taking in the beauty. This is just the most amazing moment. And if you've watched until this far, I just want to say thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye.
Like I woke up like this.
Both it. Just two souls chasing